Having trouble with declined Google Pay transactions? It's likely a verification issue, but don't worry, it's fixable. Begin by unlocking your phone and opening the Google Pay app. Locate your profile icon in the top right corner and tap it. Find and select the Verify Identity or Identity Verification option in the menu. This screen details why verification is needed and which documents are accepted. Accepted documents are things like a driver's license, passport, or identity card. Tap Start Verification to continue. Take a clear, well-lit photo of your chosen identification document, ensuring the entire document is visible. Next, you might be asked to take a selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions for a clear photo. Google Pay will now review your information. This usually takes minutes, but may take up to 24 hours. You'll receive a notification or email upon completion. All done? With your identity verified, you can now use Google Pay without issues. Enjoy.